Hey, Tom Blanchard here with another episode of Thursdays with Tom, where I provide you with some helpful nuggets to keep those juices flowing and put more money into your pocket. Today, we are on episode 24 of our Ninja Nugget series, formatting and using your database. Now, as I've said in prior sessions here, your database is the central nervous system if your business. You can't run a successful business without it. So, how do you choose the right database product for you? Good question. Because what works for one does not necessarily mean it will work for someone else. Here are some criteria for you to consider when looking for that product. Digital and mobile. In today's world, you need an electronic database that works with your smartphones. The days of using a 3x5 index file card, Rolodex, notebook system are just way too antiquated in today's market. And you need a calendar. Your database needs to sync with your calendar. This is a very important feature. It does you no good to input all these important dates into a system that you can only see when you're in the system. It has to be in front of your face on your calendar, front and center. Also, simpler is better. Look, if the system is too complicated to set up, load, and use, you're just not going to maintain it or use it. This is one time where simpler is better. Relational. This is where you need to make a decision depending on how important simplicity is to you. Relational databases are more powerful, but unfortunately, they are also more complicated. A relational database gives you the ability to search for names that have similar attributes. In plain terms, that means you can search your database for clients with kids under a certain age, if you were planning a family day at the movies to watch the latest Disney movie, or you can query it for a list of people with a specific type of property because you have a buyer looking for that property. So, once you have decided on a database program, you will need to organize it with your client's information. You should have the following 6 categories. 1, contact information. That's the address of home and work, the phone numbers, email addresses. Facebook is a very important as well. Number 2, family. You need his name, her name, kid's name, pets' names, birthdays, anniversary, those simple things that you just need to know. Now, also occupation, where he and she works, titles that they hold, responsibilities of that job, longevity of the position, company information as well. Okay? Recreation, favorite hobbies, sports teams, restaurants, vacation spots, wine preferences even, right? And their dreams, any goals, kids attending college, house on the water or golf course, 10 rental houses by age 40, whatever those dreams may be. Also, their real estate holdings. This should have detailed information on their real estate holdings so that you have to know what they have. Now, the other thing you are going to want to do is categorize your database by relationship status and urgency to buy or sell. Relationship status, you're going to have 4 categories to this one. A, B, C, and D is what I call it. A are your advocates or raving fans. They proactively refer you. These are your golden clients, literally golden. B category is for your fans that refer you if asked, but are not as proactive as your A listers are. Your C category is for those that know you, like you, trust you, and will do business with you if you stay in flow with them. For whatever reason, their RAS is not engaged enough to refer you. And D is basically for the people you want to meet and develop a relationship with. Now, these are the ones you want to have on an 8 in 8 program. Now, you've heard me talk about having a hot list and a warm list. So your hot list will contain the people who want to buy or sell, know they want to buy or sell, want to buy or sell with you, and want to buy or sell soon. Your warm list, on the other hand, will contain those folks who want to buy or sell, but may not know they want to buy or sell. However, you know they want to buy or sell because you are observing their current life changes. These clients will probably buy or sell within, say, a year. So that's all the time we have for now. Next week, we'll be talking about 15 post-closing contacts and why it is so important. I look forward to talking to you then. Bye.